get coffee. Oh, I hate this. There's somebody trying to come out the exit, or the somebody trying to come out the entrance. It says truck entrance only. Why can't people read? There are clear signs here that tell you exactly how to get to the truck exit at this truck stop, and they ignore it. See, look, entrance to fuel lanes, there's arrows right there. And then there's a sign right here as you leave the fuel lane. Right here to the right. Exit to 75, right there. And they still ignore it. It's not that hard to figure out, guys. Kind of funny, I keep forgetting that the 780 doesn't turn quite as tightly as the 670. So when I was making that turn back there, I was thinking, I had the mindset of driving the 670, so I thought I could turn later. I went to turn the wheel and I realized the wheel didn't turn as far. Whoopsie. Oh well, we made it. Something you got to keep in mind when you go from a short wheelbase truck to a longer wheelbase truck. It's even worse if you go to a Peterbilt extended nose. Allow me to show you the proper way to leave this truck stop. See, there's a sign right there. How clear is that sign? Exit to I-75, and they got a little U, like an upside down U that, you know, kind of anybody with an ounce of common sense would say, oh, I got to turn left out of here, then go around back behind the fuel islands. I'm sorry, guys. I have pet peeves out here, and as we all do, and one of my biggest pet peeves are drivers that do this every day but can't follow simple directions. That is a big, big, big pet peeve. That was just a very big disappointment back there with that coffee. You know, pilots are they're my go-to for coffee, you know. I love Pilot and Flying J coffee. But this pilot, unbeknownst to me, is going through a major makeover inside. And they're missing like half of their coffee goodies. And amongst that half is my damn creamer. So I had to put whole milk. That's the only cold creamer they had, was whole milk. You know, usually you go to a Pilot and they got vanilla, they got half and half, they got whole, they got something else, maybe hazelnut or something like that. And those are all in the chilled creamer selection. No, not here. Nay. Here they had one, and that was whole milk. So I had to put some warm hazelnut in there. They didn't even have vanilla packets. Oh man, what a rough morning, I tell you. First world problems. First world, hashtag first world problems. But I got the coffee, it doesn't taste too bad. And we're rolling on out. Next stop is the truck wash. Oh, by the way, did you see how easy it was to exit that place when you go the right way? You're not fighting traffic. You're not swimming against the current. It's a lot easier. Exponentially. Alright, here we go.
Just stay one more night. I'll be by your side. Oh, but not today. Just stay.